Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. We're going to do another pour. So let's call this another day, another dollar store pour. Because that's what we have. I was at Dollar Tree recently, picking up a lot of essential things, of course. And I noticed these little Mardi Gras hats. There are a package of 5 of them, but we're just going to use the one. It's very pretty, and even though Mardi Gras is past, we can still make use of their little decorations. In fact, I am going to continue the theme by using sort of Mardi Gras colors here. We have acrylic gold, mixed 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol. We have Artist Loft metallic leaf green, mixed 1 to 1 with Floetrol. We have Artist Loft silver, 1 to 1 with Floetrol. And we have Brilliant Purple, Liquitex Basics Brilliant Purple, 1 to 1 with Floetrol, and then I added a little water because this was especially thick. Okay, so we have an 8x10 canvas. That means we need 5 ounces minimum. And my mixed paints are pretty thick, so I'm going to do more than 5 ounces because I'm sure some of it will stay on the hat. And we'll see what we get. So here we go. Just cycling through. This is a 10-ounce cup, so more than half full. Alrighty. I am pouring on an 8x10 canvas, as I said, and I have it setting in this turned over cheese box cover lined with freezer paper. And the reason I am doing it here instead of just on my mat is because I want to be able to move this after we're done, because I have another project that I want to use the silicone mat for. So I just figured this would be easier. Okay, we ready? Let the festivities begin. A little bit of extra weight at the edges. We don't have to worry about that. It should be plenty of paint this way. Okay, ready? And now we tilt. Okay, that is very, very pretty. I love these colors anyway, even without tying them to Mardi Gras. Shall we say it, folks? Mmm. I don't know if this is a painting that will stand on its own or if it will end up being embellished later. Either one's an option. Let me get my hands cleaned up and we will go in for our close-up. Let's go in for our close-up. Here is the lower left corner, across the bottom, to the lower right corner, up the right side, to the upper right corner, across the top, to the upper left corner, and back the left side to the bottom. Through the middle, and then let's see the entire thing. There we go. So what'd you think, folks? Fun, huh? Pouring over stuff. I have lots more stuff from the Dollar Tree, so stay tuned for all that. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.